This is what it's like trying to find a parking spot every morning. Jeez, I could never find a parking spot. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, I parked way over there across the street. This is ridiculous. I had to park. This is where I should be going. I should be parking on this street back here. Instead, I had to park on this street. But in today's vlog, I'll be announcing the winner of the Andis Masters giveaway. I'll also be having some fun here at school, another day at Bladecraft, and I will be trying some $40 pie, if you can believe that one. So stay tuned, we're gonna have some fun. Another one of the students put me onto this pie, actually Destiny, ironically, who I just dropped a haircut tutorial this morning, which I guess you guys won't see this until about Sunday or Monday, but she's the one who put me on to this. Actually, this is the place right here, Emporium Pies. So later on, we'll be getting some pie there. Don't worry, I'll share a slice with you guys too. Alan, I was up late watching your videos.
You were?
Yeah, I lost sleep because of you.
I'm sorry.
Does that make you happy?
No. Hope they weren't all that bad.
So now we're missing one. We've been tasked with making questions, coming up with questions for chapter 10, which was my worst chapter on the state board when I took my test, chemical texture service. Very refreshing, and oh my gosh, that sun is a killer. While we're tasking, I'm taking a quick break to show you that the complimentary service of this month is, if that guy would just get out of the way, as you can see, beard shaping. So if you're ever in Deep Ellum and you're by Bladecraft, or really just in Deep Ellum or Dallas in general, just come by for beard shaping. Complimentary. And that means free, by the way. As you can see, it's 11 o'clock, 1 hour until lunch. The $40 pie is coming. I'm so hungry. I skipped breakfast for this occasion. Emporium Pies, I'm coming. I actually need to call in there just to make sure that they're gonna have a pie ready, because I'm pretty sure you can't just whip up a $40 pie just like that. So let me give them a call.
Thank you for calling Emporium Pies. How can I help you?
Hey, question. I want to get the $40 apple pie.
Everything day of is going to be first come, first serve within the shop, so we can't make any guarantees for you, unfortunately.
Oh, okay. Just curious, do you guys have any now?
Yes, we do. We have some available. We just can't guarantee any.
Well, as you can see, there's no guarantee that they'll have a pie, but they say they have a few. I think they will have some over there. All right, so it's pie time. I'm here. As you can see, coming up. Hopefully they have this. They say it's first come, first serve. Oh, they got a little doggy bowl for all the dog lovers out there. Well, let's see if they have this thing. Hoping to get apple pie.
Apple pie?
Yes. Is this it? Oh, that is insane.
Enjoy.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Have a great day. Thanks for coming in.
Hey. All right, here it is. Ooh, look at this thing. Ooh. Oh my God, this is a workout. Whoa. Okay, now look at this thing. Holy moly. I gotta open this up so you can see this. Look how big that thing is. That is a good, here's my finger, okay? Just for reference, I don't have a ruler, but look at my finger. That's how deep that thing is. That's like a deep dish Chicago pizza. Let's dig into this thing. I don't even know how to attack it, but I'm just gonna attack it. It's like oozing out. I've gotta heat this up. That smells so good. I wish that can come across on camera how good this smells. Now the big test, does it taste as good as it smells? Does it taste as good as it costs? Well, let's find out. Let me get another bite. And another. That's good. That's real good. The apples taste pretty fresh. They're thinly sliced. They're not those big chunky slices that you'd get from like Walmart or something like that. Nice sugary topping, almost like a Dutch apple pie. It's like almost like a mixture. This crust is phenomenal. Now the big question is, would I pay $40 for this pie? Now, when you looked at the size of the pie, here, look at that. I mean, you see how round it is and how thick it is. Would I pay $40 for this pie? Now, if I'm getting this for some sort of special event, maybe a family gathering, yeah, I could see paying $40 for a pie. Now, if I were to just get this pie on the regular, let's say I bought this pie once a week. In my opinion, that's quite a bit to be splurging once a week, but hey, it ain't tricking if you got it, right? At least that's what some people say. Kind of weird. For special occasions, for gatherings, maybe a family event, this pie's perfect. But if you're gonna try and eat this thing in one sitting, good luck. Very tasty. It's not extremely sweet. It's sweet, but it's not too much, which means I can eat another slice of this thing. Now this pie is especially funny because as a barber, barbers are faced with the dilemma of what to charge. Some barbers charge $40, like this pie. So would you get more enjoyment out of your haircut or this pie? Leave that in the comments. But that is pose an ultimate question. Would you pay $40 for this pie, or would you feel more comfortable paying $15 to $20? Similar to a haircut. A lot of people are used to and familiar with paying $15 to $20 for a haircut. But when some barbers charge $40, it's like, you better give me a whole lot extra. You better give me a massage, you better give me a facial and all these extra services. But for some people, they charge $40 just for a haircut. In my opinion, I would pay $40. Well, obviously, I already did pay $40 for this pie, but I would pay $40 for this pie. If you look at the size, the girth, the width, the height, it is definitely worth it. And the taste is phenomenal too. It's not overly sweet. It gives you just enough. The crust, it tastes very fresh. And let me just eat some more. I'm eating like I'm in prison. Gotta give me another slice of this. I'm not sure if you guys can see my eyes right now, but they feel so glossed over. That pie will give you the itis. No lie. I need a nap right now. I had about a slice and a half, or really if you put that into normal pie terms, probably about 3 slices. Whew, man. While on this walk to burn off all the calories from that pie, you see all sorts of weird stuff in this store here.
No.
Tamara just touched my butt. Tell them that.
Huh?
Tell them Tamara just touched my butt.
Did it really?
She did. She walked right up.
Oh, I thought you said the camera just touched your butt. Look, we found a straight razor here. All sorts of stuff. Lather and brush. Oh, they got some beard oil. Look at this mug. It's like a lens for a camera. Got the little lens cap, it pops off. That's dope. All right, mixing it up. We're on our walk. Pretty fun. Mix it up, get us out the classroom, get our legs moving, especially after lunch. Boy, if you did not see my eyes earlier, I had the itis. But I feel a lot better now that we're on this walk, so we're just kind of traveling through Deep Ellum. Who knows? He's a real big asshole when it comes to his camera and stuff.
Oh, well, who wouldn't?
Okay, so next I want him to make the type of cameraman. The one that likes to get low, the close up.
Oh, that's what you want to see?
Too far back.
That's what you want to see?
The always out of focus.
Oh. The 10 type of cameraman.
The one who always has the camera on himself. This is the portion of the vlog where things take a turn for the worse, which I'm not quite happy about what's about to happen. She's gonna be the one, well, are you gonna torture me today?
I am.
So tell everyone what we're doing, please.
his nose hair out of his face.
I was kind of looking forward to this, but I'm actually not looking forward to this because she just mentioned how hot the wax is. It looks like liquid metal almost. And that's going into my nose, so we're going round and round in the vlog. And we're gonna land on Don Julio. Look at him. What's up, Don Julio?
What's going on, man?
Do you know what's about to happen? Just take a guess. Why am I sitting in this chair? And what do you think is about to happen?
We're gonna have fun today.
I'm not looking forward to this. I'm really not looking forward to this.
It's gonna happen.
Okay, so he's gotten this done before. So tell the viewers what should I
horrible.
expect? Really?
Horrible. It hurts so bad. You just gonna be tear-eyed. No, it's not bad. It actually hurts more when you pull your own. You know, you got the little hair.
Individually?
Yeah, it hurts a lot more when you do that than the actual waxing. I promise you. But I usually tell people it hurts just to scare them a little bit.
We'll see if his promises are worth keeping. So we're waiting for this molten lava to cool down, and then I don't know. Whoa.
Give you some hair.
Uh-oh, what is look at that. Little Richard. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
You're like a walrus.
No warning.
The one good thing thus far is it actually smells good. You're taking both out at the same time, right? Wait, what is this? Yeah, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo. She did that on purpose. She did that on purpose.
Do you want to get close to that?
Look at this. She claims her hand slipped. Oh. Almost let an F-bomb slip. Woo. It's almost kind of a good thing that you slipped because it prepared me for the pain. But I still need.
I think
What? I
it's
still
just
need
like right
more.
here in these corners, just right there.
Really? Really? The corners? Really? All right. Torture is over. I'm still alive. A lot cleaner. Can you guys see that? Hope so, but feels better. Can breathe better. So I'm down for some of that. Now it's this young buck's turn.
Bruh, she's never done this before, bro.
Look, here's some advice, okay? She missed on the first swipe with me, so if she can get it the first time, you'll be happy.
I'm not comprehending you.
She missed on the first pull, and like my nose felt like it came off my face, and then she took them out the next time.
Can't cry, won't cry. Can't cry.
That's good, tear.
It was windy outside, bro. Chill.
3, 2,
All right.
1.
Oh!
Woo! It's a part of being a guy. We're hairy. It is what it is. And that's gonna wrap up today's vlog. As always, browse the channel. I have plenty of great barbering content out there for you guys to watch. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share these videos, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. I'm gonna get out of here. It's your man, I Do a Barber, signing out. I will holla.